What's going on, everyone? My name is JP. This is my wife Jordana and our kids Aurelia and Odin. Back on our 6th wedding anniversary, we decided we wanted to buy an RV and see the country. Fast forward to March of 2021, we sold our house, ditched all our stuff, and hit the road for what we hope will be a journey filled with a lifetime of memories. We hope you will join us on this journey as we wander to get lost. What's going on, everybody? Today is Sunday sewing day. I am in the process of doing our Dinette cushions and we're reupholstering them, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm starting the zipper on the bottom of the back cushion, and yeah, this is the old cushion cover which I took apart to use as a template to cut everything to the size. So I deconstructed this whole cushion cover. I used it, traced out everything. I pre-cut all my fabrics, so that's already all done. And then I'll be making one that looks like this. This is the second cover. So right now I'm in the process of doing the bottom, and this is our new color or new fabric. It's called Ripple. It's pretty awesome. Feels great. So yeah, just gonna do a little sewing. Alright, so what I'm actually doing is I initially sewed this on edge to edge, and then I'm going back down and just doing a, I guess, edge cover, so that way it looks nice with the zipper, and then you have a little play here when you're unzippering and getting the cushion out. Alright, I'm just going to do the other side, and then we're going to get moving on to sewing everything together.
Is it on me?
Yeah.
It is?
Look, see.
Oh, you switched it?
Oh,
To the front?
How?
I don't know, but your circulation's getting cut off.
I didn't do that.
Oh, you didn't do that?
Oh, you did. Hey, Odin, where are you? Say, oh, gee. Oh, gee. That was funny.
I think it's a hot plate. Nothing hot to put it in here so the table don't get warm.
working so hard.
Yeah, let me just do this first.
Okay.
Alright, here's your swing.
Farmer, I want you to make you swinging on it.
No, you swing.
Okay. Sure, can you make that? And then I will make something. And I need 2 braids and 2 braids and a very big puffed up dress.
This is a small picture, isn't it? It's pretty hard to.
Okay. No! Wait, where did you put one just back? So you take from here and no, I don't think I take that one.
Chicky, you should go into business.
Alright, what's up everybody? So, both slip covers are done for the back cushions. Came out pretty good. I'm pretty stoked about it. So, here's our messy dinette. And, sorry. I'm just gonna test fit the ones that we just did and give you a little idea. But that fits right in there. So, yeah, look at that. That looks pretty sweet. I'm pretty happy with that. Looks like the original, just in a crazier fabric. So, yeah. Pretty happy with that. We still have one more at the bottom to make, so I'm probably going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to take a break right now. And we're going to have dinner in a little bit. And I've actually been working on this for quite some time. Just with doing the patterns and cutting out the fabric. So it's been a labor today. So if you have any questions on what I did or where we got the fabric, we got it from a local store here by my mom's fabric mill, but they do have an online website, so you could still get this same pattern from them. You just have to order it. I'll link to their website down below. And luckily we're at my mom's house, so I was able to use her sewing machine and her big table, so I had plenty of space to work on this. So yeah, nice little easy project, almost done. And then yeah, you'll probably see it when we have the whole RV done. But I think one thing before I go is we have these brown trim pieces here. This is the color that used to be the bottom cushion, so I think I'm going to rewrap these with the fabric as well. So I have this piece here and then that one over there, and that should tie it in together for this whole area. And then we still have to redo the table that we stripped. So we got a lot going on, but yeah, pretty happy about the cushions. So yeah, nice little project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next reno video. And by that time, these cushions should be done completely. All right, thank you to all our new subscribers and to all our subscribers who keep watching our videos. Thank you very much. As always, if you could, please hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. All right, see you on the next video. Have a great day.